Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Thank you all for coming back. Thank you all for your support. I'm here with my December daily flip through. Finally got this done, and man, I'm glad I'm all caught up now. So here's the cover, and here's page 1, and this is a chunky monkey. Okay, we got a tag here with a flip over here, and our tab over there. Now, my papers come from Paulette Slater, Decorate Your Life. Um, some may be from uh, Mac Jewelry, and I know I have some from Tsunami Rose. Okay, now here is a blank page that I may do something for journaling. I got a tuck spot there. Here on page 2, we have our little oval with the tree, and we also have a tag there with a pocket. And then here we have a little doily with a butterfly on top. Page 3, again, we have a pocket here with a little embellishment in the pocket. Here we have a cluster that I made on the back with a quote on it. Here's a sticker, I think it's from Dollar Tree. And then over here we have a little wagon with some berries and stuff in it. Page 4, we have a pocket here with a a vinyl strip here that I sewed to some regular printer paper. Here we have a pocket with a journaling card in it, and it also has a tiny tuck spot. Here we have a Santa tuck spot with Santa's letter, and I put some of my homemade or handmade ribbon right across it there. And here again, we have our book page ribbon, a little tuck spot here, a belly band here, or you can do it a tuck spot and tuck it underneath there. Then we have a pocket here that has a journaling card and some ephemera attached to it. And then we have a bulb and a sticker here. Here on page 6 we have, oh, that was page 5, I'm sorry. We have a tuck spot here, and we have some bling trim there with an insert here for journaling or whatever. So this is a side pocket. We have some Chinese braid here. We have a tuck spot with a bulb here with some stuff that I put on it. Next 2 pages are clear. Page 7, we have a side pocket with some bling. Here we have a pocket with a tag. Whoops, no, a belly band with a tag in it. My bad. So, this one's empty. Here's Santa tuck spot with a little, maybe, a Christmas list and a little angel there. The other pages are for like journaling, or you can add to them. And then here we have an envelope that I made with some Christmas quotes here. And I made it into a side pocket. And then here we have a side pocket with a bulb in it. And then we have a tuck spot up here with a little journaling spot on page 10 with a Christmas tree. And then blank pages, page 11, we have a double pocket with a tag here, a little journaling spot there, and a tag with a tuck spot to put your little journaling thing in. Okay. That's page 11. Page 12, we have a tuck spot with a little clear pocket there and some of my vinyl trim. Here we have a pocket, a side pocket here with nothing in it yet, but it's long. This is napkin. So this is a napkin that I put onto an envelope. And then page 13, we have a pocket, but nothing in it yet. Page 14, we have a side pocket with a pocket up here for something to tuck in. Here we have a pocket with a bulb, a ephemera, and another ephemera. Page, whoops, what's page 14? Oh, that was page 14. My bad. Page 15 has a pocket with stitches, faux stitching, a little bit bling, and a pull-out tag, which I took a strip from the tag that I trimmed off and made a little pull tab right there. Okay. Then on page 16, we have a side pocket with a journaling card and a tag. Page 17, I'm trying to make sure none of the other pages have anything. We have a tuck spot here and just a writing area there. Here we have, on page 18, we have my handmade ribbon with a tuck spot and some bling on the bottom. Here we have a tuck spot with some ephemera. Just some ephemera I put on the page there. And here we have a journaling card with a quote on it and some ephemera with a tuck spot here. Page 19, we have my vinyl trim that I made with a pocket with a little thumb punch out and a journaling card. Here we have a Christmas tree that I can use as a tuck spot. Here we have a tuck spot with some faux lace here that I trimmed off of a printable. And then here, this is wallpaper on a multiplication card here. And that's a tuck spot with a journaling. You can use the journaling. Here's the rest of that paper. Here on page 20, we have a tag inside of a pocket with my vinyl strip that I made and a quote here. Like I said, everything, I have many printables that I've used for this. Now here we come to a flip out. You can journal here. You can put something here to journal. Okay. Here's another pocket with a journaling card and a tag. Page 21, we have a tuck spot with a journaling card that I put my little ribbon that I made on. And it's got candy canes and, you know, all that stuff. And then here we have a flip pocket that has nothing in it yet. Page 22, we have a pocket with a tag. And then there's nothing here. All the empty pages, I may go back and alter them, but I'm not sure yet. Page 23, we have a pocket, side pocket with a tag. And here we have just some ephemera on the page. Here's a tuck spot. Here's a side pocket on page 24 with some of the ribbon that I made. Here's just on page 25 is just a piece of ephemera that I stuck on. Page 26 has a tuck spot with ephemera here and a journaling card. So on page 27 we have my little ribbon with a see-through pocket and a journaling card. Page 28 we have a nutcracker side pocket with a little card in it that'll be decorated, and some decor here with decor going across the bottom. That was 28. Okay, just checking. 29 we have the nutcracker belly band and the bottom part of the nutcracker as a side pocket with some little Christmas bulbs in them. And here we have an envelope pocket. Page 30 we have an upper tuck spot with a mini side pocket. That's my vinyl trim that I made. And last but not least, we have a side pocket here with some ephemera in it. Then we have ephemera stuck over here, some holly. And on page 31, we have my handmade trim with some wrapping paper in the background, a little pocket with a journaling spot. Here we have another envelope side pocket with a journaling card inside. Here's another big tuck spot here with a journaling card inside. We have a tuck spot here with some, this is really stuck in here. Well, I'm going to have to fix the tuck spot, but that's okay. With some packaging paper in it. Then, let's see. All this is all empty. For sure. Here we have a pocket with a file folder card. And then here's a little flip that I made. A little passport flip with a tuck spot here. You got a journaling card and a tag. We have, this one's it's going to be a flip. I have to tape it in. We have a tuck spot here with journaling items here. And we have this. Then we have a tuck spot here with some more ephemera with a flip for journaling and a flip with a tuck spot and a pocket. Tuck spot has ephemera. Let me see what the pocket has. Oh, the pocket has a little mini journal that I made. Let me put that like this and put it through here like so, and put the ephemera here, and we have all that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe by hitting that big subscribe button down below, and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new videos. I do a premiere, or I just upload new content, or do a live. So thank you all for being here. Thank you all for your support. Please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.